Once you have downloaded the new script, you want to attach it to the check answer manager. So highlight that and then add component on the right. It's a script, and it is the sound effects script. And that should be all you need. You don't need to check any of the boxes, though you can if you want. The default correct row sound is the applause. If you want it to be a different sound, then you can assign a different sound here. But if you don't do anything, let me show you what I mean. If you don't do anything, I'm just pressing play, it'll be applause. Okay? And that's all you need to do for that. And then you need to make sure that it works with these three buttons here. The check formula, check coefficients, so that when you click the button, it actually makes the sound effects. To use the new script, the check formula button here under the check answer manager, you'll need to add a new on click function. So plus. This is on the check answer manager game object, so drag that over here. Check answer manager. Then under the function, choose the sound effects script. And this is the formula button, so we want to play sound for formulas. Similarly, if we go to the next button, coefficients, again, plus, check answer manager is the object. Function is sound effects script, but now we're checking the coefficients, so play sound for coefficients. And the third one is the states of matter. Once again, plus answer manager, sound effects script, play sound for states of matter. Okay, save that, and that's all you need to do.